I have the distributor cap off, the plugs disconnected. You need to rotate the engine to TDC on the intake stroke. You can tell it's the intake stroke because these dots will face the top. If you're at TDC exhaust, these dots will face downwards. So TDC intake stroke. I'm going to mark a line here to give me a ballpark of where ignition timing is when I put the distributor back in. And then also before I take the distributor out, I'm going to loosen it, get these ears get this bolt in the center of the ears, and then I'm going to mark a line in the middle right here. And you'll see when you plug back in the distributor, it wants you to the instructions say like make sure the ears are centered in the bolt holes, and then you have to line up the dot on the gear and the shaft too. So making this line to show you where the center of the bolt holes are, that's going to help us out when we install the distributor. Alright, so I'll take this out and we'll get started. Alright, so I got my scribe and I scribed a line right here. You can use a pen. I don't like to use a pen because I'm going to wash all this stuff and the ink's going to wash off. I have the distributor positioned so that the bolt is in the center of this ear adjustment. And so that'll give you about the center of where the distributor is. And again, this will help us out when we reinstall the distributor.
Hey Ezekiel, I know this is a sore subject for you, so I thought I'd show you how I stab distributors on 4AGs. So instead of lining the two dimples up on the distributor in a straight line like this, it says in the service manual, you're actually going to turn the shaft counterclockwise when you're facing from the shaft end and move one tooth counterclockwise so that your hole aligns through the beginning of the gear this way. And then you're going to hold your distributor, make sure it's lined up correctly. After top dead center, shove it in, and your dimple is always straight underneath the cam lobe. Lined up good.